Okay, good morning, everyone. We're going to get started with the Impossible A. And if we look at this from the front here, I'm just going to focus on this top part right here and try and make the top part with the front face of this A right here. Okay. So let's use our segment tool. And here will be my width. And here will be my first leg coming down. And then let's bring this other leg down to about the same distance. And we're going to have to adjust this because we need that cross brace in here. So I'll do that in a bit. Okay, so now I could either make a parallel line or I could try and eyeball it. I don't want to eyeball it, so I'll put a point here, right there. And if I want a parallel line, I want to be parallel to this line, but go through this point. All right, and then I want to be parallel to this line, but go through point E. All right, and if I make this go out a little bit, do I want it to make this go down a hair? And I'll make another parallel line. I want to be parallel to this line, but go through point F. All right. Okay. Let's see here. Point like that. And coming down here, I want to point like that. Actually, I'm going to have to move this up a little bit. If I back this up, and now I can move this. Just want to move it up a hair. And then I will put my point back on here. And that should give us our width right here. And then I can, once I've drawn this extra line right here, I can hide my parallel lines. Let me hide these two. Sorry, I don't want to do that. We'll hide this line, and we'll hide this line. And then I will put this line in, and then put this line in. And then I can hide this. And I will put my line segment in here. Just a little bit longer. All right, so I can make my segments. And I will make parallel lines that I can use for my the bottom part of my letters here. And let's hide these two. And then I'll make my segment. And so I need to put a point in here. And I'll say use the parallel line off of this point. And put another point in here. Sorry, we're going to have to move this. All right, so my point. Okay. So the key here is we're making a bunch of lines or line segments because we have these parallel lines. And so it's very important that we're using the parallel line tool to do this. There it goes. Okay. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of stepping through the picture over here on the right and making points and drawing lines where I think I need them. Okay. For instance, um, I need to hide this part of the line segment and redraw this line. and hide this line. And then draw this part of my line segment. I think I have it here. Okay, so this will have the same scoring as the impossible square, where when we do the shading, we do the gradation, where it starts dark and it shades, gets lighter and lighter and lighter. Okay, but if you create the design and you stop right here, then I will give you the most you can score is a 9 out of 10. Okay, but if you want to complete this, then hide all the points and print her out, and then you can shade it, and then it will look pretty, as it were. Okay, enjoy. Have a good one.